In this video, you'll learn how to effectively close background apps on your Pixel 6. This process will help you manage system resources and improve the overall performance of your device. To begin, access the recent apps view. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold your finger on the display for a moment. Once you do this, the recent apps interface will appear, showing all apps currently running in the background. Familiarizing yourself with this navigation gesture is essential for efficient multitasking. Noting which apps are open allows you to identify those consuming resources that may affect your device's performance. Next, you can close apps individually. For this, swipe each app card either left or right. Doing this will stop the background activity of that particular app and free up system resources. It is important to be cautious during this step. Avoid closing apps that you may need immediately. By reviewing which apps to close, you can ensure that critical functions remain active while improving battery life and overall performance. This action helps maintain a responsive experience on your Pixel 6. If you want to close all background apps at once, look for the option labeled Clear All at the bottom of the recent apps view. Tapping this button will close all background applications quickly and efficiently. Alternatively, if your device allows, you can swipe multiple apps simultaneously to close them. Before proceeding, verify that any important apps you need are reopened when necessary. This practice of closing all apps helps free memory and reduces lag on your device. Regularly clearing background apps is a good habit and contributes to maintaining smooth performance on your Pixel 6. By ensuring fewer resources are occupied by unnecessary background processes, you enhance the responsiveness of your device. Remember, managing background apps not only improves performance, but can also extend battery life. And there you have it.